When most people think about adoption, they usually think of babies or very young children. However, there are many teens in foster care who need a family. While all children need a forever family, teenagers are much less likely to be adopted than younger children. Adopting a teen provides an opportunity to be a mentor and a positive role model. Teens have struggles and bad days, just like anyone at any age, but they are incredible, resilient, and inspiring. According to the Stefano family, restoring a teenager's view of love and family is beyond worth it.
Okay. It is official. I get to announce for the first time and introduce you to Isabella Bernice Stefano.
I already knew that the Stefanos were my family and that I belong with them. But I guess the adoption, like the finalization of it and signing it, meant that nobody could take it away from me. It was official, and they were my mom and dad. I just want people to know that teenagers aren't just rebels that cuss you out and are mean and want to fight. Like, we're good people. You just have to show us what you expect from us, and we just want to feel accepted. I've changed the way I talk, the way I act, just everything in general, the way I dress. I used to have a really negative self-esteem, and I think that's a really big thing, is my parents have built me up in every way possible. They've just encouraged me and told me how awesome I am, and it really helps.
Every day that you look at your child and you think about what the social workers have told you that they have been through, and you consider the fact that, hey, I'm helping to save them from continually having to go through that, from feeling rejected, from feeling abandoned, from feeling unloved, and that you have the opportunity to make up for birthdays that weren't celebrated and family dinners that they never had. You can put their report card on the refrigerator and a picture of them on your desk. All those things that those of us who grow up traditionally take for granted. When you realize that you are giving that gift to someone else and that it is making a profound impact on their life, all of that other stuff, though challenging, is absolutely worth it.
Older youth who are adopted from foster care are more likely to finish high school, go to college, and be more emotionally secure than teens who age out of foster care. Teens need parenting just as much as younger children. They need a parent to cheer on their successes and help them learn from their mistakes.
I think that people fear the unknown, and so a lot of it was just the unknown. So we really took a step of faith, a leap of faith, and we found out that that we don't have to do it alone. That the system supports parents like us who are willing to adopt, who are willing to step out and take that step of faith and saying, I'm there to support someone who needs it.
Fairfax County offers trauma-informed trainings to our parents. They also offer financial resources and specific services for child's needs, such as therapeutic services and supports, tutoring, different services based on what a child may need. You do not need to be perfect to be a foster or adoptive parent. In order to be a foster parent in Fairfax County, you do need to be over the age of 18, but we have foster parents with various backgrounds. You can be single, married, divorced, you can rent or own your own home, you can have various income levels. As long as you're someone who's willing to open your heart and your home to a child, you're able to foster in Fairfax County.
Just make sure to stay open-minded, because when we first go into a place, we feel basically the same way that you feel. We don't know what to expect. It's a long process, but it's worth it. And I know for a lot of teens, they feel how I felt. And it's like, you want to give up. You're over being left. You're over being abandoned. And you just want someone to care for you. And I want everyone to know that teens have hearts, and they just want love, and they want to be able to love someone too. and call someone mom and dad and be able to hug someone and tell them how much you love them and just to enjoy that family.